This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Alright guys, how you doing? It's going to be a little Merry Christmas 2018 video. I just want to do a big shout out to my sponsor, Value Testers. Great tool company. I'm glad to be teamed up with them guys. Best tool company on the web. And I want to do a big shout out. I want to do a big shout out to all my loyal subscribers that comment on my videos all the time. I do read all the comments. I usually would go through them and read them all day, every day, but I don't have time to respond to them all with the editing and all the other stuff that I do. I just can't respond to them all. It's just too much. I did videos on that before, but I do respond to some. I do read them. If there's something I need to respond to that's important, I will respond to it. Little Miss Molly here, she's 6 months old. I've had her since she's been 3 months. She's a big part of the channel. And she usually likes to hang out on me like this. If I'm on a computer, she likes to fall asleep in my arms a lot of times. But it's a big part of the channel. I like to put her on, have everybody see her. You gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna say hi to everybody? She don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on. She's only a little midget. She just got operated on. Just had her stitches out on her stomach there. You can see it healed up really good. I don't know if you can see it, but it healed up really good. I'm kind of glad that I had her fixed, and they say it's better for her. But anyway, I got quite a few reviews that I have to do on some stuff coming up soon, and obviously the working videos will continue, and I'm hoping for a good year next year. 2019 should be a good year for me, and just wanted to do a quick little, Merry Christmas, and just say thanks for all the loyal support and all the kind words. A lot of people call me on the phone all the time and tell me to keep it up. I'm doing a great job. That type of stuff actually helps me, motivate me, keeps me going. I've been doing this for 5 years. I mean, a lot of work to edit these videos. I mean, I spend hours and hours and hours every day editing videos. So it's almost like a job for me, a second job. But, loading one video a day is a lot of work, especially the videos I do. I mean, there's a lot of work to edit all them videos. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a, Merry Christmas and just a big shout out to all my subs. I really do appreciate it. All right, have a good one, guys.